Get ready for a sensory overload. The roar of engines, the crack of timber, and the sight of massive trees toppling in seconds. This video pushes the boundaries of logging like never before. Don't miss it. Watch as this Humvee attempts the impossible climbing, a vertical wall. Designed for rugged terrain and extreme conditions, the Humvee's raw power and sturdy build are on full display here. While it's a tough test for any vehicle, this Humvee shows why it's trusted in challenging environments. Whether it's climbing obstacles or tackling rough terrain, this beast was built for situations just like this. Here's the MAA-543, a powerful heavy-duty truck facing one of its toughest challenges, being stuck in thick, unforgiving mud. Designed for extreme conditions, this beast of a vehicle is built to carry heavy loads across rugged terrain. But even machines like this can struggle when the mud gets too deep. The crew works tirelessly to free the truck, using logs to create traction and prevent the wheels from sinking further. It's a team effort, combining ingenuity and brute force to get this massive vehicle moving again. The MA-543 demonstrates its resilience, inching forward despite the tough conditions. Moments like this remind us of the sheer challenges faced in off-road transport and military logistics. It's not just about having powerful equipment, it's about teamwork and problem-solving to overcome nature's toughest obstacles. Will they manage to free it? It's a race against the mud. Here is a jaw-dropping display of precision and power as this massive transport rig hauls an oversized load down the road. Carrying what appears to be an enormous industrial component, this setup features a multi-axle trailer designed to evenly distribute the immense weight. The driver's skill is unmatched, maneuvering this colossal load with care and precision. Transporting something this large requires more than just a powerful truck. It's about coordination, planning, and steady hands on the wheel. From sharp turns to uneven roads, every move counts when handling a load of this magnitude. It's a true demonstration of engineering and driving working in perfect harmony. Get ready for a spectacle like no other, a diesel log truck drag race. These massive machines, built for hauling heavy loads, are now showing off their raw power and speed. Loaded with logs, these trucks thunder down the strip, engines roaring and smoke billowing as the drivers push them to their limits. It's not just about speed, it's about precision driving and handling these colossal vehicles under extreme acceleration. The crowd cheers as these giants battle it out, showcasing the perfect blend of power, skill, and adrenaline. Events like these are a true celebration of engineering and driver expertise, proving that even the hardest working machines can put on a thrilling show. Who will cross the finish line first? It's a race you don't want to miss. It's a battle of the heavyweights, The legendary K-700 tractor versus the powerful Tatra 813 in a head-to-head tug-of-war. Both machines unleash their full might, churning up dirt as they fight for dominance. The K-700, with its robust frame and raw pulling power, goes up against the Tatra 813, known for its torque and all-wheel drive. Crowds gather to witness this epic showdown, as black smoke pours from their engines and tires dig deep into the muddy terrain. It's not just a contest of strength, but a test of engineering, traction, and driver skill. Who will come out on top in this epic clash of industrial titans? Stay tuned to find out. It's old school power versus modern engineering, as the K-700 takes on the Claas Edel's 926 in a tug-of-war showdown. The K-700 flexes its Soviet-era muscle, while the Claas brings advanced traction and torque to the fight. The ground churns beneath them as these giants battle it out, proving that brute strength and technology both have their place in the world of heavy machinery. Who will claim victory? It's a clash of legends. The mighty K-700 takes on the modern powerhouse John Deere 8420 in an epic tug-of-war. The K-700, with its rugged Soviet-era design, relies on raw torque and heavy steel to pull its weight. Meanwhile, the John Deere 8420, a symbol of advanced engineering, uses precision traction and horsepower to fight back. Both machines dig deep into the dirt, tires spinning and engines roaring as the crowd watches in awe. This isn't just a battle of strength, it's a test of endurance, engineering, and operator skill. Will the old-school brute force of the K-700 prevail? Or will the modern efficiency of the John Deere claim victory? One thing's for sure, this is heavy machinery at its finest. It's a showdown between two giants, the classic K-700A and the modern Fendt 939. The K-700A, known for its brute strength and rugged design, faces off against the Fendt 939, a modern marvel of precision engineering and advanced traction control. As they lock in for a tug-of-war, the engines roar and the tires dig into the ground. It's old-school toughness versus high-tech innovation in an epic battle of power and performance. Who will dominate this face-off? The crowd is on the edge of their seats. It's an epic tug-of-war between two legendary machines, the powerful K-700 and the robust T-100 crawler tractor. The K-700, with its raw horsepower and massive tires, takes on the T-100, a bulldozer known for its incredible traction and low-end torque. As the engines roar and black smoke fills the air, the struggle begins. The K-700 tries to use its speed and weight, while the T-100 digs into the ground, with its tracks refusing to budge. It's a battle of brute force versus unyielding grip, and the tension is palpable as the two machines fight for dominance. This contest is a true showcase of engineering from two different eras, each built to handle the toughest jobs. Who will come out on top? The crowd waits in anticipation to see which Titan will claim victory. It's an epic tug-of-war between two legendary machines, the powerful K-700 and the robust T-100 crawler tractor. The K-700, with its raw horsepower and massive tires, takes on the T-100, a bulldozer known for its incredible traction and low-end torque. As the engines roar and black smoke fills the air, the struggle begins. The K-700 tries to use its speed and weight, while the T-100 digs into the ground, with its tracks refusing to budge. It's the K-701 versus the New Holland T-8030 in a quick but intense face-off. The raw power of the K-701 goes head-to-head with the modern engineering of the T-8030. Engines roar, tires grip, and it's a battle of brute force and precision, who will take the win. Introducing the 8-ton diesel hammer, a true powerhouse of construction equipment designed to drive piles deep into the ground with incredible force. This behemoth operates by harnessing the explosive power of diesel fuel, delivering massive impacts that make quick work of even the toughest foundations. As the hammer rises and falls with precision, it creates a rhythmic display of engineering excellence. Each strike drives the pile further into the earth, ensuring a stable and secure base for bridges, skyscrapers, or any large-scale construction project. The diesel hammer's efficiency and power make it a go-to choice for projects requiring extreme durability and load-bearing capacity. Standing tall alongside the crane, this machine is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to tackle the toughest challenges in construction. Watching it in action is a reminder of the raw power and precision needed to shape the modern world. This 8-ton giant truly embodies the strength and reliability demanded by heavy-duty construction projects. Here is a test of skill and power as this dump truck faces an uphill battle literally. Stuck in the mud with a massive boulder blocking its path, the driver must navigate carefully to break free. The wheels spin, the engine roars, and the truck fights against the odds to escape. It's a high-pressure moment where every move counts. Will the driver manage to get this beast out of the mess? Or will the mud win this round? Stay tuned to see how it plays out. Stranded in a frozen wilderness, this truck is facing the ultimate winter challenge, getting unstuck from deep snow. The icy terrain tests its power and traction as the driver carefully maneuvers to find grip. The wheels spin and the engine roars, but the snow isn't giving up easily. It's a battle of machine versus nature, where every move counts. Can this truck overcome the icy odds and break free from the snow's grip? The stakes are high, and the challenge is real. This logging truck is in deep trouble literally. Carrying a heavy load, it's stuck in a muddy swamp with no clear way out. The massive tires churn through the muck, but the weight of the logs and the slippery terrain are relentless opponents. Every attempt to move forward seems to sink the truck deeper into the mud. The driver works tirelessly, revving the engine and trying to find the perfect angle for traction. In situations like this, it's not just about raw power, it's a test of patience, skill, and strategy. As the mud splashes and the engine roars, the surrounding crew works to assist, laying down logs and rocks to create makeshift traction paths. This is the ultimate challenge for both man and machine. Will the truck's brute strength and the driver's determination be enough to escape the swamp's grasp, or will the elements claim victory in this grueling battle? It's a dramatic reminder of the harsh conditions these vehicles face in the logging industry every day.
Включилась? Не включилась?
This logging truck is in deep trouble literally. Carrying a heavy, it's stuck in a muddy swamp with no clear way out. The massive tires churn through the muck, but the weight of the logs and the slippery terrain are relentless opponents. Every attempt to move forward seems to sink the truck deeper into the mud. The driver works tirelessly, revving the engine and trying to find the perfect angle for traction. In situations like this, it's not just about raw power, it's a test of patience, skill, and strategy. As the mud splashes and the engine roars, the surrounding crew works to assist, laying down logs and rocks to create makeshift traction paths. This is the ultimate challenge for both man and machine. Will the truck's brute strength and the driver's determination be enough to escape the swamp's grasp? Or will the elements claim victory in this grueling battle? It's a dramatic reminder of the harsh conditions these vehicles face in the logging industry every day.
Utápíš ten zadek dál a dál. Takhle přijde, tak jsme zapadli. Ne.
This dump truck is facing the ultimate mud challenge. Loaded with heavy cargo, it's stuck deep in rutted terrain that's turned into a thick, muddy mess. The powerful engine roars as the driver tries to push forward, but the wheels spin helplessly, digging deeper into the muck. Every inch gained is hard fought, and the battle against the mud is far from over. These trucks are built to handle tough conditions, but even the best machines can struggle in terrain like this. It's a test of endurance, traction, and patience. The driver shifts gears and carefully maneuvers, hoping to find a patch of solid ground to escape the muddy trap. This scene is a stark reminder of the challenges faced by heavy machinery in real-world conditions. Whether it's construction, transportation, or logging, moments like this highlight the importance of skill, strategy, and the sheer determination to get the job done. Will this truck break free, or will the mud have the final say? The tension builds as the struggle continues.